Hey there, come do some press on nails with me. Today I'm gonna be using these nail tips from Apre. These ones are the Long Square Natural. So I took all the nails, I placed them on the nail stands, and I'm going to prep them. So what I do to prep the nails is just file the shine from the nail tips. And today, for example, I have to trim as well the thumbnails a little bit because they were longer than the rest, and I like to make sure that everything is nice and even. So once I have the nails already buff and prep, I apply base gel and cure it for 60 seconds. And after that, I'm going to continue with the color. The color I'm using today as the base is a beautiful nude from the brand Born Pretty. I'm going to apply 2 layers of this nude color and cure each layer for 60 seconds. So I purchased these silicone molds on Shein not too long ago, and I'm gonna be doing 3D flowers. I'm gonna be mixing the gel polish with top coat. In that way the flowers are gonna be coming out cleaner and they're gonna be curing better as well. So the top coat is helping with that a lot. And yeah, I'm gonna do a few of these and I'll show you in a moment. So once I have all the little flowers, I'm going to decorating and painting, and I'm using these little sponges to create like a center ombre. I don't have an airbrush. I think I need to buy one because these are not coming the way I like. But it's what I have for today, so I'm gonna be working with this. So once I have all my flowers ready to go, I'm gonna put them to one side for now because I'm gonna start painting some Frenchies. I'm using this gel polish that I have from Imeili. These gel polishes are not that opaque, so I'm gonna have to apply 2 layers. I don't like to apply 2 layers on my... Oh my god, my dog. Chica! I'm trying to do a voiceover here. Be quiet. I don't like I was saying, I don't like to apply 2 coats on Frenchies because sometimes they become a little bit too thick. But this is all I had today. I wanted to paint it in yellow because yellow is like a beautiful sunlight in the spring, something like that. So that's what I did in this case. I'm gonna be creating like some kind of like a branch I'm gonna be using this 5D gel from the brand Born Pretty, and don't forget to check all the links in the description down below. And yes, I'm gonna drag it over here, create like a little line. This gel is actually very nice and easy to use. You can move it around if you don't like it in the position that it is with a liner brush. I'm gonna fix it up a little bit and then I cure it for 60 seconds. So to do the little leaf that I have here to attach to the branch, I did a flower on the silicone mold with green gel polish mixed with top coat, and then I broke apart the flower and they look exactly like leaves, so it worked out very well. I wanted these flowers to lay it as flat as possible on the nails, and that's why you see me pushing them down with my mini UV lamp, and it worked, it did the trick. So I continue to do the same with the next flowers. So this green nail is going to be a whole leaf, and then on top of it, that's where I'm going to apply the tiny critters, the ladybug and the caterpillar. For the ladybug, I'm gonna be using this beautiful red gel polish from Beetles. I've been loving these new polishes that they came out with. They're HEMA-free, TPO-free, so they're fantastic. And I'm just gonna paint a little red circle here on this nail that I painted like a big leaf. And then I cured the little red circle, and then I'm gonna come back and apply more detail with black gel polish and tiny white dots. For the tiny caterpillars, I just put like a tiny strip of the 5D gel, and then I cured it for 60 seconds. I painted it in yellow, and I painted some tiny black stripes on top, and it came out cute. I like it. Once I finished painting all the nails, it did take a long time for me to create all these little critters. They are not difficult, but it does take a little bit of time to make sure you get all the details correct. And so once I finish all that, I file and reshape the free edge just to make sure the nails are nice and clean. And I apply top coat. I cure that for 60 seconds. And now I'm just placing the nails on a press-on case to take a couple of pictures and post it on my Etsy website. So I just want to say thank you if you stay until the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions about press-on nails or anything like that, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much again for watching, and you have a nice day. I'll see you on the next one.